Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Sienna headlight. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. You'll be working in the engine bay, so having good lighting is also helpful. This simple guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and quick. Now, let's access the bulb. You'll typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Unscrew these carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This creates enough room to reach behind it. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb and disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling. With the electrical connector detached, it's time to remove the old bulb. Twist the bulb's base counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Now, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. Once confirmed, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Align the mounting holes and reinsert the 2 or 3 retaining screws. Tighten them snugly, but do not over-tighten. You've successfully changed your Toyota Sienna headlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.